Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T10. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, more, agree, again next. And now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Tap next and let's try it out again. Hey Google. Okay Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Enable assistant responses on lock screen, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, okay Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 61 and a low of 46.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.